How to recover deleted data from Instacart. If you'd like to recover deleted data from Instacart, first of all depends upon what you would like to recover. Now, Instacart is basically an online service that allows you to have your groceries delivered to you without having to move to a specific location. And on here, the only data is the products that you buy and your payment methods and so on. If you're talking about, let's say you accidentally added some items to your cart and then you happen to delete it and you want to recover that, well, it's not possible to recover exactly what items, but as long as you remember what you've ordered before, then you will be able to replace your order with the similar items again. Now, if you have lost access to your Instacart account and that is why you might be wanting to regain your data, just try to contact the support team by going to instacart.com/help, which will take you to the official help center. Click on the connect with Instacart icon from the bottom right, which will connect you to one of the official help agent. And once you've connected, you can let them know about the issues that you're facing. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.